Getting rich is not about luck or circumstances. It's about mindset, habits, and decision-making. In this video, I'll break down the key differences between how the rich and the poor think about money, success, and opportunity. First, the rich make money work for them, while the poor trade time for money, living paycheck to paycheck. Wealthy people invest, start businesses, and create passive income streams. Next, the rich buy assets that grow their money over time, like stocks, real estate, and businesses, not liabilities. In contrast, poor people often buy stupid things that lose value. Another key difference is that the rich see failure as a learning opportunity, a stepping stone towards success. They take calculated risks and are willing to fail as many times as it takes in order to grow and succeed. The poor usually never take action, and when they do, they quit after a few failures. They avoid calculated risks that could eventually lead to success. And finally, the rich constantly seek knowledge about money management, investing, and business growth. Meanwhile, those with a poor mindset often don't take the time to learn how money works, leaving them stuck in financial struggle. Instead, they spend their time watching mindless social media posts and stupid videos. So, if you're tired of being broke, you must change the way you think about money. Start investing, create income streams, take smart risks, and commit to learning about finances. Success first begins in the mind, and the right mindset can change your life. The link to change your life is in the description below.